welcome to my channel. Today we are doing ducklings. First like this, we're doing like this. You cannot move it. It's a feet, a body, face, ears. Here's a duckling. Now another duckling is coming to swim. Here's a duckling. Two ducklings. One duckling, two ducklings. How many ducklings? Two ducklings. Thumbs up if you like this duckling. Subscribe our channel and comment on our link. We can have more science of it. But we have adding, addition, like anything. You can join on our meeting. If you want to subscribe, keep a link in our comment. There's wonderful kids in our comment. You can put a link on us and we'll give you more videos about